ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। God is one and He is realized by the grace of true Guru.
ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਜਾਪ।
God is always victorious. Utter with true devotion.
ਸ੍ਰੀ ਮੁਖ ਵਾਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਦਸਵੀਂ।
Words uttered by the 10th Guru.
ਛਪੈ ਛੰਦ ਤਵੈ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ।
Chape Chand, by your grace.
ਚੱਕਰ ਚਿਹਨ ਅਰ ਬਰਨ ਜਾਤ ਅਰ ਪਾਤ ਨਹਿਨ ਜੇ।
God is such a being who is without any mark, class, caste or lineage.
ਰੂਪ ਰੰਗ ਅਰ ਰੇਖ ਭੇਖ ਕੋ ਕਹਿ ਨਾ ਸਕਤ ਕਹਿ।
No one can describe his form, color, attire, and outline.
ਅਚਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਨਭਉ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਅਮਿਤ ਤੋਜ ਕਹਿਜੈ।
He is unchanging, self-illuminated, and with immense power.
ਕੋਟ ਇੰਦਰ ਇੰਦਰਾਣ ਸਾਹ ਸਾਹਾਣ ਗਣਿਜੈ।
He is king of millions of Indras, and you are the king of kings.
ਤ੍ਰਿਭਵਨ ਮਿਹੀ ਸੁਰ ਨਰ ਅਸੁਰ ਨੇਤ ਨੇਤ ਮਨ ਪਿਣ ਕਹਿਤ।
He is the God of 3 worlds, demigods, men and demons, even woods and vegetative creation, announces that no one is equal to God.
ਤਵੈ ਸਰਬ ਨਾਮ ਕਥੈ ਕਵਨ ਕਰਮ ਨਾਮ ਵਰਣਤ ਸੁਮਤ।
No one can describe all the names of God. The wise men sing the names according to His attributes, excellences, and works.
ਭੁਜੰਗ ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਛੰਦ।
Pujang Priyat Chand.
ਨਮਸਤਵੰ ਅਕਾਲੇ ਨਮਸਤਵੰ ਕਿਰਪਾਲੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਰੂਪੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੂਪੇ।
I salute God, who is timeless, compassionate, formless, and incomparable.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੇਖੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਲੇਖੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਕਾਏ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜਾਏ।
I salute God, who is beyond attire and beyond description. I salute God, who has no body, and to the one who is unborn.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਠਾਮੇ।
I salute God, who can not be defeated or destroyed. I salute God, who has no name and who is not tied to any one location.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਕਰਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਧਰਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਤਾਮੰ।
I salute God, who is not bound to any deed and who is beyond any creeds. I salute God, who has no particular name or any particular home to abide.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜੀਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੀਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਬਾਹੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਟਾਹੇ।
I salute God, who cannot be defeated and who is afraid of none. I salute God, who is unshakable and cannot be destroyed.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੀਲੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਦੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਛੇਦੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗਾਦੇ।
I salute God, who has no color and who has no beginning. I salute God, who is in full form everywhere and who is eternal.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਉਦਾਰੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪਾਰੇ।
I salute God, who cannot be defeated and destroyed. I salute God, who is generous and boundless.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਸੋ ਏਕੈ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੇਕੈ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੂਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜੂਪੇ।
I salute God, who is one, and to Him who manifests in countless forms. I salute God, who is not made of 5 elements and who is without any restraint.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਕਰਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਪਰਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਦੇਸੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਪੇਸੇ।
I salute God, who is above ritual, ceremonies, and to one who is beyond all delusions. I salute God, who does not belong to any country and who is beyond any attire.
नमस्तं निर्नामे नमस्तं निर्कामे नमस्तं निर्ताते नमस्तं निर्घाते।
I salute God, who have no particular name and who is without desires. I salute God, who is not made of elements and who is beyond assault.
नमस्तं निर्धूते नमस्तं अपूते नमस्तं अलोके नमस्तं अशोके.
I salute God, who is unchangeable and who is beyond physical elements. I salute God, who is invisible, and to the one who is above grief.
नमस्तं निर्तापे नमस्तं अथापे नमस्तं त्रिमाने नमस्तं निधाने.
I salute God, who is without troubles and cannot be installed. I salute God, who has great honor in all three worlds and who is a great treasurer.
नमस्तं अगाहे नमस्तं अबाहे नमस्तं त्रिवर्गे नमस्तं असर्गे.
I salute God, who is eternal and immutable. I salute God, who is source of three virtues, truth, consciousness, and bliss, and who is uncreatable.
नमस्तं प्रभोगे नमस्तं सजोगे नमस्तं अरंगे नमस्तं अपंगे.
I salute God, who enjoys all the creation and who is present everywhere. I salute God, who has no color and who is indestructible.
नमस्तं अगम्ये नमस्तस्तरम्ये नमस्तं जलाश्रे नमस्तं निराश्रे.
I salute God, who is beyond all knowledge and who is very beautiful. I salute God, who permeates all oceans and who is supportless.
नमस्तं अजाते नमस्तं अपाते नमस्तं अमजबे नमस्तस्त अजबे.
I salute God, who is casteless and is beyond dynasty. I salute God, who is beyond any religion and who is beautiful.
आदेशं आदेशे नमस्तं अपेशे नमस्तं निर्धामे नमस्तं निर्वामे.
I salute God, who does not belong to any country and who is formless. I salute God, who has no home and who is beyond spouse.
नमो सर्व काले नमो सर्व दयाले नमो सर्व रूपे नमो सर्व पूपे.
O God, we salute to the one who is destroyer of all and preserver of all. We salute to the one who is present in all forms and who is king of all.
नमो सर्व खापे नमो सर्व थापे नमो सर्व काले नमो सर्व पाले.
O God, we salute to the one who merges all in him and creator of all. We salute to the destroyer of all and sustainer of all.
नमस्तस्त देवै नमस्तं अपेवै नमस्तं अजन्मे नमस्तं सोबानमे.
I salute God, who is divine being and whose secrets cannot be known. I salute God, who is unborn and very beautiful.
नमो सर्व गौने नमो सर्व पौने नमो सर्व रंगे नमो सर्व पंगे.
I salute God, who travels everywhere and who pervades the world. We salute to the creator of all colors and to the destroyer of all.
नमो काल काले नमस्तस्त दयाले नमस्तं अबरने नमस्तं अमरने.
We salute to the destroyer of death and to the treasurer of mercy. I salute to the God who is beyond caste and color and who never dies.
नमस्तं जरारं नमस्तं कीर्तारं नमो सर्वतंदे नमोस्त अबंधे.
I salute God, who is unaffected by ages and who is creator of all. I salute God, who is the cause of all works, and to the true one who is unbound.
नमस्तं निर्साके नमस्तं निर्बाके नमस्तं रहीमे नमस्तं करीमे.
I salute God, who is beyond relations and who is fearless. I salute God, who is merciful and kind.
नमस्तं अनंते नमस्तं महंते नमस्तस्तरागे नमस्तं सुहागे.
I salute God, who is endless and greatest of all. I salute God, who is lovable and is highest of all.
नमो सर्व सोखं नमो सर्व पोखं नमो सर्व कर्ता नमो सर्व हर्ता.
I salute God, who dries all and who fills all. I salute God, who creates and destroys all.
नमो जोग जोगे नमो भोग भोगे नमो सर्ब दयाले नमो सर्ब पाले।
I salute God, who is supreme union and supreme enjoyer. I salute God, who is merciful to all and sustainer to all.
चाचरी छंद त्वै प्रसाद।
Chachri Chand, by your grace.
अरूप हैं अनूप हैं अजू हैं अपू हैं।
God is formless, unique, unborn, and birthless.
अलेख हैं अपेख हैं अनाम हैं अकाम हैं।
God is beyond description, attire, name, and desire.
अतेय हैं अभेय हैं अजीत हैं अपीत हैं।
God is self-supported, beyond mysterious, unconquerable, and fearless.
तिरमान हैं निधान हैं त्रिवर्ग हैं असर्ग हैं।
God is honored in all three worlds. He is treasure of everything. He is source of three virtues, dharam, spiritual discipline, earth, material wealth, and calm, liberation from bondage, and was never born.
अनील हैं अनाद हैं अजेय हैं आजाद हैं।
God is beyond color, form, and origin. He is conquerable and free.
अजन्म हैं अवर्ण हैं अपूत हैं अपर्ण हैं।
God was never born. He has no color and caste. He is above the elements and is independent.
अगंज हैं अपंज हैं अछूज हैं अझंज हैं।
God is invincible, indestructible, unchangeable, and unshakable.
अमीक हैं रफीक हैं अतंद हैं अबंध हैं।
He is eternal, friend of all, free from all entanglements, and free from bondages.
निर्भुज हैं असूझ हैं अकाल हैं अजाल हैं।
He is beyond knowledge, beyond human comprehension, immortal, and free from all bondages.
अल्लाह हैं अजाह हैं अनंत हैं महंत हैं।
God cannot be found, beyond place, limitless, boundless, and He is greatest of all.
अलीक हैं निरसरीक हैं निर्लंब हैं असंभ हैं।
He is infinite. He has no rival, beyond support, beyond human understanding.
अगम्य हैं अजम्य हैं अपूत हैं अछूत हैं।
He is beyond reach, unborn, above the elements, and untouchable.
आलोक हैं अशोक हैं अकर्म हैं अपरम हैं।
He is beyond sight and sorrow. He is beyond rituals and illusions.
अजीत हैं अपीत हैं अबाह हैं अगाह हैं।
He is unconquerable, fearless, immutable, and unfathomable.
अमान हैं निधान हैं अनेक हैं फिर एक हैं।
He cannot be measured. He is all treasures and has got countless forms and yet one.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद नमो सर्ब माने समस्ति निदाने नमो देव देवे अपेखी अपेवे।
Bhujang Priyat Chand. We salute to God, who is honored by and who is treasure of everything. We salute to God, who is God of all gods and is beyond attire and mysterious.
नमो काल काले नमो सर्ब पाले नमो सर्ब गावणे नमो सर्ब पावणे।
We salute to God, who is the destroyer of death and who is preserver of all. We salute to God, who has access to all and is present everywhere.
अनंगी अनाते नरसंगी परमाथे नमो पान पाने नमो मान माने।
You are without a body and without a master. None is equal to you. You are the destroyer of all. We salute to you, who is son of sons and who is respected by all.
नमो चंद्र चंद्रे नमो पान पाने नमो गीत गीते नमो तान ताने।
We salute to the God, who is the light of all the moons and suns. We salute to God, who is the creator of songs and melodies.
नमो निर्त निर्ते नमो नाद नादे नमो पान पाने नमो बाद बादे।
We salute to God, who is the supreme dancer and is creator of sweetest musical divine sound. We salute God, who is the greatest drummer and is greatest drama player of the world.
अनंगी अनामे समस्ति स्वरूपे प्रपंगी परमार्थे समस्ति विभूते.
God has no form and name, but His beauty is present everywhere. You are the destroyer of all and have spiritual powers.
कलंकं बिनाने कलंकी स्वरूपे नमो राज राजेश्वरं परम रूपे.
God is without any blemish and is pure and beautiful. We salute God, who is King of all kings and the greatest of all.
नमो जोग जोगेश्वरं परम सिद्धे नमो राज राजेश्वरं परम वृद्धे.
We salute God, who is saint of all the yogis and supremely perfect. We salute to God, who is King of kings and supreme commander.
नमो शस्त्र पाणे नमो अस्त्र माणे नमो परम ज्ञाता नमो लोक माता.
We salute God, who wields weapons and missiles. We salute to God, who is knowledgeable and who is the Mother Universal.
अपेक्षी अपरमी अपोगी अपुगते नमो जोग जोगेश्वरं परम जुगते.
God is free from attirement, free from doubts, and free from worldly temptations. We salute God, who is Yogi of yogis and who is supreme in His ways.
नमो नित्य नारायण क्रूर कर्मे नमो प्रेत अप्रेत देवे सुधर्मे.
We salute to God, who is protector of all and destroyer of evildoers. We salute to God of evil and holy spirits, the fountain of light and righteousness.
नमो रोग हर्ता नमो राग रूपे नमो साहसाहं नमो पूप पूपे.
We salute to God, who is destroyer of all diseases and is the real love. We salute to God, who is King of kings and ruler of all rulers.
नमो दान दाने नमो मान माने नमो रोग रोगे नमस्तं स्नानं.
We salute to God, who is the giver of gifts and is honored by the respectable. We salute to God, who is the destroyer of all diseases and is a source of purity and holiness.
नमो मंत्र मंत्रं नमो जंत्र जंत्रं नमो इष्ट इष्टे नमो तंत्र तंत्रं.
We salute to God, whose name is the greatest word, the symbol, and the master of magic charm. We salute to God, who is supremely worshipped, and to the supreme spell.
सदा सच्चिदानंद सर्वं परनासी अनूपे अरूपे समस्तुल निवासी.
God is real truth, peace and pleasure and destroyer of all. He is unique, formless and is present everywhere.
सदा सिद्धदा बुद्धदा वृद्ध कर्ता अधो ऊर्ध अर्धं अघं ओग हर्ता.
God is the giver of spiritual power, wisdom and intellectual power to all. You are present under and over the earth and in the nether regions. You are the destroyer of all evils.
परम परम परमेश्वरं प्रोच्छ पालं सदा सर्वदा सिद्ध दाता दयालं.
The Supreme Master sustains all, but He Himself remains unseen. God bestows spiritual powers to persons and are ever merciful.
अचेदी अपेदी अनामं अकामं समस्तो पराजी समस्तस्तामं.
God is invulnerable, indestructible, nameless, and desireless. He is the winner of all and is present everywhere.
तेरा जोर चाचरी छंद जले हैं थले हैं अपीत हैं अपे हैं.
Tera Jor, Chachri Chand. God is present in water and land. He is fearless and His secrets cannot be known.
प्रभु हैं अजू हैं आदेश हैं अपेश हैं.
O God, You are the Master of all. You are immutable. You do not belong to any one country or have any particular attire.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद अगाधे अबाधे आनंदी स्वरूपे नमो सर्वमाने समस्ति निधाने.
Bhujang Priyat Chand. God is unfathomable. No one can cause obstruction in His way, and You are never in bliss. All bow to You, and you are the treasurer of everything.
Namastwang nirnate, namastwang parmathe, namastwang aganje, namastwang apanje.
We salute to God, who has no master and is destroyer of all. We salute to God, who is unconquerable and indestructible.
Namastwang akale, namastwang apale, namo sarva dese, namo sarva pese.
We salute to God, who is immortal and self-protected. We salute to God, who is present in all countries and who is present in all costumes.
Namo Raj Raje, namo Saj Saje, namo Saha Sahe, namo Maha Mahe.
We salute to God, who is King of all kings and is Creator of all. You are the ruler of all rulers and illuminator of moons.
Namo Gita Gite, namo Prita Prite, namo Rokha Rokhe, namo Sokha Sokhe.
We salute to God, who is supreme song, and to the supreme love. We salute to God, who is commander of the whole universe and the destroyer who dries up all.
Namo Sarva Roge, namo Sarva Bhoge, namo Sarva Jitang, namo Sarva Pitang.
We salute to God, who is the cause of everyone's death and to the enjoyer of all. We salute to God, who conquers all and all are afraid of you.
Namo Sarva Jnanang, namo Paramatanang, namo Sarva Mantrang, namo Sarva Jantrang.
We salute to God, who has all knowledge and who is the creator of the expanse of universe. We salute to God, whose name is biggest magic and whose name is biggest charm.
Namo Sarva Drissang, namo Sarva Krisang, namo Sarva Range Tripangi Anange.
We salute to God, who is observer of all and who attracts everyone. We salute to God, who is present in all colors and who is the destroyer of all the three worlds.
Namo Jiva Jivang, namo Bija Bije, Akhijje Apijje Samastang Prasijje.
We salute to God, who is the life of all beings and who is the primal seed. We salute to God, who always remains beyond suffering, beyond division, and gives blessing to all.
Ke palang sarupe ko karmang parnasi, sada sarvada rid siddhang nivasi.
God is compassionate and destroyer of all sins. God is forever the source of spiritual and miraculous powers.
Chatpat chand tva prasad, angmrit karme angmrit tarme, akhal joge achal bhoge.
Charpat Chand, by your grace, God's deeds are eternal and His laws are unchangeable. The whole universe is attached by God and He is the source of permanent joy.
Achal raje atal saje, akhal tarmang alakh karmang.
God's kingdom and creation is eternal. God's laws are perfect and His deeds are beyond comprehension.
Sarvang data, sarvang gyata, sarvang pane, sarvang mane.
God is the universal donor and is knower of all. He is enlightener of all and He is worshipped by all.
Sarvang pranang, sarvang tranang, sarvang pukta, sarvang yukta.
God gives life and support to all. He is universal enjoyer and united with all.
Sarvang devang, sarvang pevang, sarvang kale, sarvang pale.
God is the light of all and yet the universal mystery. He is destroyer and protector of all.
Ru al chand tva prasad, ad roop anad murt, ajon purkh apar.
Rual Chand, by your grace, God is primal form. He existed prior to creation, beyond incarnation. You reside in all, and you are endless supreme being.
Sarvman Triman Dev Apev Ad Odar.
God is worshipped by the creatures of three worlds. He is light of all, beyond comprehension, and yet a mystery.
Sarvpalak, Sarvkalak, Sarvko Punkal.
God is the preserver and destroyer and death of all.
जतर तत्र विराजहि अवधूत रूप रिसाल।
He is abiding everywhere, source of all joys, but himself, not affected by these worldly joys.
नाम ठाम न जात जाकर रूप रंग न रेख।
God has no name, place, caste, form, color, or creed.
आद पुरख उदार मूर्त अजोन आद असेख।
God is immaculate. He is origin of all, beyond incarnation, and primal creator.
देश और न पेश जाकर रूप रेख न राग।
He does not belong to any country. He has no attire, form, or shape, and has no attachment for anyone.
जतर ततर दिशा विसा होए फैल्यो अनुराग।
God's presence is in every place, corner, and direction of this universe as love and harmony.
नाम काम विहीन पेख्त धाम हूं नहीं जाहि।
God is without name or desire and is invisible.
सर्वमान सर्वत्रमान सदैव मानत ताहि।
God is loved everywhere, all over the universe.
एक मूर्त अनेक दर्शन कीन रूप अनेक।
God is one, but appear in various forms.
खेल खेल अखेल खेलन अंत को फिर एक।
God plays the game of creation, and in the end, He is again one.
देव पेव न जानहि जे वेद और कतेब।
Gods and scriptures of the world does not know His mystery.
रूप रंग न जात पात सो जानहि के जेब।
No one knows His form, color, caste, and creed.
तात मात न जात जाकर जन्म मरण विहीन।
God has no father or mother, no caste, and is above birth and death.
चक्कर बक्कर फिरै चतर चक मानहि पुरतीन।
God's inspiring power of destruction operated in all the four directions, and He is worshipped in all the three regions.
लोक चौदह के बिखै जग जाप ही जेह जाप।
God's name is recited by all the creatures living in 14 worlds, means the whole universe.
आद देव अनाद मूर्त थाप्यो सबै जेह थाप।
He, the primal God and supreme power to be worshipped. God created the universe, but no one can find your source of existence.
परम रूप पुनीत मूर्त पूर्ण पुरख अपार।
God is the abstruse power, holy in form. He is limitless.
सर्व विश्व रच्यो स्वयंभव गण पंजनहार।
God is self-created. He is the creator and destroyer of the world.
कालहीन कला संयुक्त अकाल पुरख आदेश।
God is eternal and powerful. He is beyond time and belongs to no country.
धर्म ताम सो परम रहत अपूत अलख अपेश।
God is the source of righteousness, above illusion and embodiment. He is invisible and without attire.
अंग राग न रंग जाकै जात पात न नाम।
God is formless and beyond color, caste, creed, or name.
गर्भ गंजन दुष्ट पंजन मुक्त दायक काम।
God destroys all egos and evildoers. He bestows liberation and fulfills desires.
आप रूप अमीक अनउस्तत एक पुरख अवधूत।
God is self-existent, indescribable, and beyond praise. He is the sole being and perfect one.
गर्भ गंजन सर्ब पंजन आद रूप असूत।
God is destroyer of pride, and He is destroyer of all. He is primal and the unborn one.
अंगहीन अपंग अनातम एक पुरख अपार।
God is without body and indestructible. He is beyond the soul and is the soul of infinite being.
सर्ब लायक सर्ब कायक सर्ब को प्रित पार।
God is capable of doing everything. He is the destroyer and preserver of all.
सर्बगंता सर्बहंता सर्बते अनपेख।
God reaches everywhere. He destroys all and is distinct from all.
सर्ब शास्त्र न जानहि जह रूप रंग और रेख।
All the holy scriptures had not accurately explained the form, color, and mark of God.
परम वेद पुराण जा कहे नेत भाखत नित।
The supreme Vedas and Puranas find it beyond them to describe him.
कोट सिमरत प्राण शास्त्र न आवहि बहु चित।
One can read millions of scriptures but cannot explain the truth and knowledge of God.
मद पार छंत व प्रसाद गुण गण उदार महिमा अपार आसन अपंग उपमा अनंग।
Madhupar Chand, by your grace, God is treasure of virtue and is liberal and of endless glory. God's existence is eternal and His grace is incomparable.
अनपौ प्रकाश निस्दिन अनास आजान बाह साहान साह।
God is self-illuminated, ever-existent and indestructible. God controls all the creative forces and is the King of kings.
राजान राज पानान पान देवान देव उपमा महान।
You are King of kings and Son of sons. You are God of gods. His glory is great.
इंद्रान इंद्र बालान बाल रंकान रंक कालान काल।
God is King of Indra and is higher than the highest. He is poor among the poorest and is killer of death.
अनपूत अंग अबा अपंग घतमित अपार गुणगान उदार।
God is beyond the 5 elements and His light is eternal. He is of limitless existence and His virtues are numerous.
मोनगान प्रणाम निरपै निकाम अतदुत प्रचंड मितगत अखंड।
Countless saints salute God. He is beyond fear and desires. No one can bear the blazing light of God and His glory cannot be minimized.
आलिस्य कर्म आदृश्य धर्म सर्वा प्रणाढ्य अनदंड बाढ्य।
God's actions are spontaneous and His law is ideal. Your home is of all ornaments and is above retribution.
चाचरी छंद त्वै प्रसाद गोविंदे मुकंदे उदारे अपारे।
Chachri Chand, by your grace, God is well-wisher of all, giver of salvation, liberal and limitless.
हरियं करियं निर्नामे अकामे।
He is destroyer and creator of all. He is without name and desireless.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद चतुर चक्र कर्ता चतुर चक्र हरता।
Bhujang Priyat Chand, God is the creator and destroyer of the universe from all directions.
चतुर चक्र दाने चतुर चक्र जाने।
God is donor and everything of the universe from all directions.
चतुर चक्र वर्ती चतुर चक्र परती।
God is pervading and the provider in all 4 directions.
चतुर चक्र पाले चतुर चक्र काले।
God is the protector and destroyer in all directions.
चतुर चक्र पासे चतुर चक्र वासे।
God is near to all and is present in all 4 directions.
चतुर चक्र माने चतुर चक्र दाने।
God is adored everywhere and He showers His gifts in the whole universe on all sides.
चाचरी छंद न सत्रय न मित्रय न परमं न पित्रय।
Chachri Chand, God is without enemy, friend, delusion and fear.
न कर्मं न काये अजन्मं अजाय।
God is beyond action and form. He is unborn and uncreated.
न चित्रय न मित्रय परे हैं पवित्रय।
No one can draw your picture. You have no friend, detached from all, and is the holiest one.
प्रतीसय अधीसय अदृश्य अकृष्य।
He is the God of universe. He is the primal being, ever invisible and stimulated.
भगवती छंद वै प्रसाद कथते के आ छिज देसै के आ पिज पेसै।
Bhagavati Chand, by your grace, God's place and His form is indestructible.
के आ गंज कर्मै के आ पंज परमै।
He cannot be perceived by rituals and is free from doubts.
के आपिज लोकै के आदित्य सोकै
God's abode is eternal, and He can destroy the burning suns.
के अवधूत बरनै के विभूत करनै
God cannot be influenced by the material things, and He is the source of all wealth.
के राजंग प्रभा हैं के धर्मंग तुजा हैं
God's glory glorifies the kings and is the protector of righteousness.
के आशोक बरनै के सर्वा आभरणै
He is the form beyond grief and beautifies one and all.
के जगतंग कृति हैं के छत्रंग छत्री हैं
God is the creator of universe and is bravest of the brave.
के ब्रह्मंग स्वरूपै के अनपौ अनुपै
He is the source of all beauty and is source of divine knowledge.
के आद अदेव हैं के आप अपेव हैं
He is the primal being and is God of gods. He is self-illuminated.
के चित्रंग विहीनै के एकै अधीनै
No one can draw the picture of you. You are controlled by soul self.
के रोजी रजाकै रहीमै रिहाकै
God provides nourishment to all. He is compassionate and liberates the creatures from their miseries.
के पाक बेऐब हैं के गैबुल गैब हैं
He is pure, unblemished, and invisible.
के अफुल गुनाह हैं के शाहन शाह हैं
He is the forgiver of sins and is King of kings.
के कारण कुनिंद हैं के रोजी दिहंद हैं
He is the creator of causes and provider to all.
के राजक रहीम हैं के कर्मंग करीम हैं
He is merciful and showers His gifts and is source of virtues.
के सर्वंग कली हैं के सर्वंग दली हैं
He is the master of all and destroyer of all.
के सर्वत्र मान्य के सर्वत्र दान्य
He is adored everywhere and is donor of all.
के सर्वत्र गाउनै के सर्वत्र पाउनै
He reaches everywhere and is present everywhere.
के सर्वत्र देशै के सर्वत्र पेशै
God is present in every country and is seen in all places in all different times.
के सर्वत्र राजै के सर्वत्र साजै
He is king of His creation and is the creator of all.
के सर्वत्र दीनै के सर्वत्र लीनै
God is the universal giver and is present everywhere.
के सर्वत्र जाहो के सर्वत्र पाहो
His glory exists and light shines everywhere.
के सर्वत्र देशै के सर्वत्र पेशै
God is present in all lands and in all forms.
के सर्वत्र कालै के सर्वत्र पालै
He is a universal destroyer and protector.
के सर्वत्र हंता के सर्वत्र गंता
God is the destroyer of creatures and approaches everywhere.
के सर्वत्र पेखी के सर्वत्र पेखी
He manifests in different forms and takes care of all.
के सर्वत्र काजै के सर्वत्र राजै
God is the doer of all deeds and is supreme king everywhere.
के सर्वत्र सोखै के सर्वत्र पोखै
You are destroyer and preserver of all.
के सर्वत्र त्राणै के सर्वत्र प्राणै
God's power works everywhere, and He is a life giver to all.
के सर्वत्र देशै के सर्वत्र पेशै
He belongs to all countries and in all forms of manifestation.
के सर्वत्र मान्य सदैवं प्रधान्य
God is adored everywhere and is a sole supreme commander.
के सर्वत्र जाप्य के सर्वत्र थाप्य
He is universally chanted and universally established.
के सर्वत्र पान्य के सर्वत्र मान्य
God provides light to all the sons and is universally worshipped.
के सर्वत्र इंद्र के सर्वत्र चंद्र
He is the universal God and shines everywhere like the moon.
के सर्वं कलीमै के परमं फहीमै
He is reciting the sweet words sitting within the living beings. He is the master of supreme wisdom and knowledge.
के आकल अलामै के साहिब कलामै
He is wise and all-knowing and is master of the holy word.
के हुस्नुल वजू हैं तमामुल रुजू हैं
God is the expression of beauty and focus of all attention.
हमेशुल सलामै सलीखत मुदामै
He will exist forever, and forever will exist His beauty of His creation.
गनीमुल शिकस्तै गरीबुल परस्तै
God is all-powerful to defeat enemies and protects the innocent and poor.
बिलंदुल मकानै ज़मीनुल ज़मानै
His abode is the highest and is present at all times.
तमीजुल तमामै रज़ुअल निधानै
God is of perfect understanding and is treasure of attention.
हरीफुल अज़ीमै ज़ाइक ज़कीनै
He is great enemy of sins and provider to all.
अनेकुल तरंग हैं अपेद हैं अपंग हैं
God is like a big ocean, and living beings are His waves. He cannot be known and cannot be destroyed.
अजीजुल निवाज हैं गनीमुल खिराज हैं
He is the protector of all devotees and punishes the enemies.
निरुक्त स्वरूप हैं तिरमुक्त विभूत हैं
His form cannot be described. His glory is beyond three instincts of passion, ignorance, and purity.
प्रभुक्त प्रभा हैं सुजुक्त सुधा हैं
His light is enjoyed by all. He is the supreme nectar for the enjoyment of all.
सदैवं स्वरूप हैं अपेदी अनूप हैं
God is eternal, mysterious, and unique.
समस्तो पराज हैं सदा सर्वसाज हैं
He conquers all, and He is eternal creator of all.
समस्तुल सलाम हैं सदैवल अकाम हैं
He is the source of universal existence and is passionless.
निर्बाध स्वरूप हैं अगाध हैं अनूप हैं
His form is such that no one can stand in His way. He is unfathomable and unique.
ओं आद रूपै अनाद स्वरूपै
He is the soul of all living beings, and His origin is unknown.
अनंगी अनामे त्रिपंगी त्रिकामे
He has no form or name. He is the destroyer and fulfiller of desires of the three worlds.
त्रिवर्गं त्रिबाधे अगंजे अगाधे
God is the giver of three gifts of spiritual discipline, material wealth, and liberation from bondage, to whom He controls. He is indestructible and unfathomable.
शुभं सर्व भागे सो सर्वा अनुरागे
He is beautiful in all aspects. He is full of love, and He loves all.
त्रिभुक्त स्वरूप हैं अछिज हैं अछूत हैं
O God, the living beings of three worlds receive joys from You. He is immortal and beyond touch.
के नरकं प्रणास हैं पृथ्योल प्रवास हैं
He is the destroyer of hell, and He abides in all the passengers like living beings.
निरुक्त प्रभा हैं सदैवं सदा हैं
God's glory is beyond description. He is ever present.
विभुक्त स्वरूप हैं प्रजुक्त अनूप हैं
His existence is enjoyed universally. He is present within all living beings.
निरुक्त सदा हैं विभुक्त प्रभा हैं
He is forever beyond description. His glory is enjoyed by all.
अनुक्त स्वरूप हैं प्रजुक्त अनूप हैं
His manifestation is beyond description. He is present in all living beings, but there is no one like You.
चाचरी छंद अपंग हैं अनंग हैं अपेख हैं अलेख हैं
Chachri Chand. God is indestructible, limbless, dressless, and indescribable.
अपरम है अकर्म है अनाद है जुगाद है
He is beyond doubt, rituals, beginnings, and lived before ages started.
अजय है अवय है अपूत है अधूत है
He is unconquerable, indestructible, without five elements, and unshakable.
अनास हैं, उदास हैं, अतंद हैं, अबंध हैं।
He is imperishable, beyond love and affection, and free from all worldly entanglements and ties.
अभक्त हैं, विरक्त हैं, अनास हैं, प्रकाश हैं।
He is devoted to none, beyond attachment, imperishable, and supreme light.
निश्चिंत हैं, सुनित हैं, अलिख हैं, अधिक हैं।
He is free from an anxiety, forever existing, beyond depiction and invisible.
अलेख हैं, अपेख हैं, अटाह हैं, अगाह हैं।
He is beyond portrayal, above attire, indestructible and unfathomable.
असंभ हैं, अगंभ हैं, अनील हैं, अनाद हैं।
He is inconceivable, beyond reach, beyond color, form and beginning.
अनित्य हैं, सो नित्य हैं, अजात हैं, अजाद हैं।
He is unique and amazing, forever existing, unborn and independent.
चरपट छंद त्वै प्रसाद सर्वं हंता सर्वं गंता सर्वं ख्याता सर्वं ज्ञाता।
Charpat Chand, by your grace, He is the destroyer and creator of all. He is universally known and knowledgeable.
सर्वं हर्ता सर्वं कर्ता सर्वं प्राणं सर्वं त्राणं।
He is destroyer of all, doer of all deeds, giver of life to all, and provider of strength and energy to all.
सर्वं कर्मं सर्वं धर्मं सर्वं युक्ता सर्वं मुक्ता।
He is fountain of all action and righteousness, united to all and yet detached from all.
रसावल छंद त्वै प्रसाद नमो नरक नासे सदैवं प्रकाशे।
Rasaval Chand, by your grace, I salute to God who gives freedom from hell, and His light is everlasting.
अनंगं स्वरूपे अपंगं विपूते।
He is admirable form beyond physical, and His light is indestructible.
प्रमाथं परमाथे सदा सर्व साथे।
He is destroyer of all ill-doers and forever companion of all.
अगाध स्वरूपे निर्बाध विपूते।
He is boundless and is unrestricted glory.
अनंगी अनामे त्रिपंगी त्रिकामे।
He is not confined to body or name. He is the destroyer of all three worlds. His form is indestructible.
निरपंगी स्वरूपे सर्वंगी अनूपे।
He is all perfection, and there is none like you.
न पुत्र न पुत्र न सत्र न मित्र।
God has neither any son or grandson. God has neither enemy or friend.
न ताता न माता न जाता न पाता।
He has neither father or mother. He has neither caste or any dynasty.
निरसाकं शरीक हैं अमितो अमीक हैं।
God is beyond relations and above rivalry. He is immeasurable and unfathomable.
सदैवं प्रभा है अजय है अजा है।
His glory is everlasting. He is undefeatable and is beyond birth.
भगवती छंद त्वै प्रसाद के जाहर जहूर हैं के हाजिर हजूर हैं।
Bhagavati Chand, by your grace, God's glory is visible everywhere, and He is present everywhere.
हमेशुल सलाम है समस्तुल कलाम है।
God is eternal, and His virtues and praises are sung everywhere.
के साहिब दिमाग हैं के हुस्नल चिराग हैं।
God is the master of all intellect and the fountain of all beauty and light.
के कामल करीम हैं के राज करीम हैं।
He is merciful provider, and He is kind to all.
के रोजी दिहंद हैं के राज करिंद हैं।
He provides food to all. He provides earnings and gives salvation.
करीमुल कमाल है के हुस्नल जमाल है।
He is most bountiful and beautiful.
गनीमुल खिराज हैं गरीबुल निवाज हैं।
God punishes the sinner. He sustains and cherishes the poor.
हरी फुल सिकन है, हिरासुल सिकन है।
God destroys the sinful enemies and fear.
कलंकं प्रणाश है, समस्तुल निवास है।
God destroys the evils and curses. He resides in all.
अगंजुल गनीम है, रजायक रहीम है।
He is invincible. He gives material wealth to all and is merciful to all.
समस्तुल जुबा है कि साहिब किरा है।
All creatures speak due to the power given by God. He has a great glory.
कि नरकं प्रणाश है, बेहस्तुल निवास है।
He is destroyer of hell and himself resides in heaven.
कि सरबुल गवन है, हमेशुल रवन है।
Everything is in his reach. He is source of all pleasures.
तमामुल तमीज है, समस्तुल अजीज है।
He identifies the good or bad and is loved by all.
परंग परम ईस है, समस्तुल अदीस है।
He is God of all gods. He is the primal God of all.
अदेशुल अलेख है, हमेशुल अपेख है।
He cannot be described. He always remains unattired.
ज़मीनुल ज़मा है, अमीकुल इमा है।
God is present on earth and heaven. His mystery is indescribable.
करीमुल कमाल है कि ज़ुर्रत जमाल है।
He is most generous, courageous, and a symbol of heroic glory.
कि अचलंग प्रकाश है कि अमित तो सुबास है।
God is of eternal illumination, and your fragrance is endless.
कि अजब स्वरूप है कि अमित तो विभूत है।
His beautiful form is wonderful, and your glory is endless.
कि अमित तो पसा है कि आत्म प्रभा है।
God expands everywhere, and He is self-radiating.
कि अचलंग अनंग है कि अमित तो अपंग है।
He is ever steady, eternal, and formless. He is limitless and immortal.
मत पार छंद त्वै प्रसाद, मोन मान प्रणाम, गुण गान मुदाम।
Madhupar Chand, by your grace, holy saints from their innermost heart bow to God. God is treasure of countless faiths and qualities.
हर बर अगंज, हर नर परपंज।
He cannot be conquered by the greatest enemies. He is beautiful God of all and destroyer of all.
अन गन प्रणाम, मोन मन सलाम।
Countless beings and saints from their innermost heart salute God.
हर नर अखंड, बर नर अमंड।
He is the God of all human beings. He is supreme of all and complete in all respects.
अनपव अनास, मोन मन प्रकाश।
God is self-enlightened and is eternal. He illuminates the mind of saints.
गुण गान प्रणाम, जल थल मुदाम।
I salute God, who is treasure of virtues and who is present in water and on earth.
अनचिज अंग, आसन अपंग।
God never becomes old, and his seat is unshaken.
उपमा अपार, गतमित उदार।
He is beyond comparison and description. His greatness cannot be described.
जल थल अमंड, दिस विस अपंड।
The beautiful God resides in water and on earth. He is present everywhere, and he is free from fault.
जल थल महंत, दिस विस बेअंत।
He is God of lands and seas. He is present in limitless forms on all sides.
अनपव अनास, त्रित तर तुरास।
Eternal God is source of self-created knowledge. He is the God of all creatures on this earth.
आ जान बाहो, एक सदाह।
All means of creation is under his control. He is ever but one.
ओंकार आद, कथनी अनाद।
God is present everywhere and is ever unchanging. You are the source of all creation.
खल खंड ख्याल, गुर बार अकाल।
You are destroyer of evildoers with a mere thought. You are the greatest and eternal.
ਕਰ ਕਰ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਮ ਚਿਤ ਚਰਨ ਨਾਮ
God is worshipped in every house. Your feet and name resides in the mind of His creatures.
ਅਨਛਿਜ ਗਾਤ ਆਜਿਜ ਨਾ ਬਾਤ
He never becomes old. He never depends on anyone for anything.
ਅਨਝੰਜ ਗਾਤ ਅਨਰੰਜ ਬਾਤ
God is indisputable forever. He is in no way affected by anger.
ਅਨਟੁੱਟ ਭੰਡਾਰ ਅਨਠਟ ਅਪਾਰ
His treasures are unending and are opened to everyone. Endless God cannot be established.
ਆਡੀਠ ਧਰਮ ਅਤ ਢੀਠ ਕਰਮ
His justice is unique. His actions are immensely firm.
ਅਨਬ੍ਰਣ ਅਨੰਤ ਦਾਤਾ ਮਹੰਤ
He is above harm, endless, and greatest giver.
ਹਰ ਬੋਲ ਮਨਾ ਛੰਦ ਤਵੈ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਕਰੁਣਾਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਘਾਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਖਲ ਖੰਡਨ ਹੈ ਮਹਿ ਮੰਡਨ ਹੈ
Har bol mana chand, by your grace. God is treasure of mercy and destroyer of enemies. He is the destroyer of all sinners, and you preserve the earth's beauty.
ਜਗਤੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ ਕਲ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੈ ਸਰਬ ਉਬਾਰਨ ਹੈ
He is the God of universe. He is the greatest master of all. God Himself becomes the cause of wars, and He sustains and saves all.
ਤ੍ਰਿਤ ਕੇ ਧਰਨ ਹੈ ਜਗ ਕੇ ਕਰਨ ਹੈ ਮਨ ਮਾਨਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਗ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਹੈ
God is the support of earth. He is the creator of universe. God is worshipped by all in their hearts, and He is known to all.
ਸਰਬੰ ਪਰ ਹੈ ਸਰਬੰ ਕਰ ਹੈ ਸਰਬ ਪਾਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਸਰਬ ਨਾਸਿਆ ਹੈ
God nourishes all, and He is the creator of all. He is permanently close to all, and He destroys all.
ਕਰੁਣਾ ਕਰ ਹੈ ਵਿਸਵੰ ਭਰ ਹੈ ਸਰਬੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ ਜਗਤੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ
God is ever merciful and nourisher of the universe. He is the God of all. He is the master of universe.
ਬ੍ਰਹਮੰਡਸ ਹੈ ਖਲ ਖੰਡਸ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਹੈ ਕਰੁਣਾ ਕਰ ਹੈ
He is the supreme commander of the universe and is the destroyer of the enemies. He is supreme beyond all and source of mercy.
ਅਜੱਪਾ ਜਪ ਹੈ ਅਥੱਪਾ ਥਪ ਹੈ ਅਕ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਅਮ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ
God cannot be pleased by pure repetition of certain words, nor can be installed as a physical object. He is beyond anyone's power of creation. The immortal God is a source of nectar.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਕਰੁਣਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਅਕ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਧਰਣੀ ਤ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ
He is the nectar of immortality, and He is very kind and merciful. He is beyond anyone's power of creation. He is supporter of universe.
ਅਮਤੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਹੈ ਅਕ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਅਮ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ
God is the master of unlimited power. He is greatest God of all. He is beyond anyone's power of creation. The immortal God is a source of nectar.
ਅਜਵਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਅਮ੍ਰਿਤਾ ਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੈ ਨਰ ਨਾਇਕ ਹੈ ਖਲ ਕਾਇਕ ਹੈ
God has wonderful form beyond death. The immortal God is a source of nectar. He is God of mankind and is a destroyer of enemies.
ਵਿਸਵੰ ਭਰ ਹੈ ਕਰੁਣਾਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਨਿਰਪਨਾਇਕ ਹੈ ਸਰਬ ਪਾਇਕ ਹੈ
He is the nourisher of universe, and He is treasure of mercy. He is the supreme King of kings and the protector of all.
ਭਵ ਭੰਜਨ ਹੈ ਅਰਗੰਜਨ ਹੈ ਰਿਪਤਾਪਨ ਹੈ ਜਪ ਜਾਪਨ ਹੈ
He is a destroyer of the cycle of birth and death. He is winner of enemies. He agonizes the enemies. With His blessings, we recite His name.
अकलंकृत हैं सर्वाकृत हैं कर्ता कर हैं हरता हर हैं.
He is the creator of unblemished creation and is the creator of all. He is the creator and destroyer.
परमात्म हैं सर्वात्म हैं आत्म बस हैं जस के जस हैं.
He is the supreme soul. He is the supreme of all souls. He is the self-controller and His glory is beyond description.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद नमो सूरज सूरजे नमो चंद्र चंद्रे.
Puchang Priyat Chand. We salute to God who illuminates all suns and moons.
नमो राज राजे नमो इंद्र इंद्रे.
We salute to God who is King of all the kings and God of all gods.
नमो अंधकारे नमो तेज तेजे.
We salute to the God of darkness and to the light of all lights.
नमो वृंद वृंदे नमो बीज बीजे.
We salute to God who is greatest of all the groups of living beings and to the seed of all creation.
नमो राजसंग तामसंग शांत रूपे.
We salute to God who is the creator of three qualities of mind. One produces ego and pride. Second is the darkness of mind. And third is peace and knowledge.
नमो परम तत्ंग अतत्ंग स्वरूपे.
We salute to God who is supreme soul and is above the five elements.
नमो जोग जोगे नमो ज्ञान ज्ञाने.
We salute to God who is the source of all yogas and knowledge.
नमो मंत्र मंत्रे नमो ध्यान ध्याने.
We salute to God who is brightest charm and magic and whose meditation is the highest form of meditation.
नमो युद्ध युद्धे नमो ज्ञान ज्ञाने.
We salute to God who is supreme in battle and who is sources of highest knowledge.
नमो भोज भोजे नमो पान पाने.
We salute to God who provides food and water for preserving bodies.
नमो कलह कर्ता नमो शांत रूपे.
We salute to God who derives all disputes and then brings peace Himself.
नमो इंद्र इंद्रे अनादं विभूते.
We salute to God who is God of all gods and origin of His greatness is unknown.
कलंकार रूपे अलंकार अलंके.
We salute to God who is flawless form and who provides beauty to beautiful things.
नमो आस आसे नमो बांक बंके.
We salute to God who is the fountain of hopes and who is very elegant.
अपंगी स्वरूपे अनंगी अनामे.
He is indestructible, unphysical, and without any particular name.
त्रिपंगी त्रिकाले अनंगी अकामे.
He is destroyer of three worlds, existent in the three times, past, present, and future. He is formless and desireless.
एक अक्षरी छंद अजय अलय अपय अभय.
Ek Achri Chand. God is powerful, indestructible, fearless, and above death.
अपू अजू अनास आकाश.
God is unborn, unchanging, indestructible, and present everywhere.
अगंज पंज अलख पख.
God is powerful, unbreakable, invisible, and needs no food.
अकाल दयाल अलेख अपेख.
God is beyond time, compassionate, beyond image, and beyond attire.
अनाम अकाम अगाह अटाह.
God is beyond name, beyond desire, eternal, and powerful.
अनाथे प्रमाथे अजोनी अमोनी.
He is Supreme Master, destroyer of all, above birth and death, and never observes silence.
न रागे न रंगे न रूपे न रेखे.
God is beyond attachment, without color, without form and feature.
अकर्मं अपरमं अगंजे अलेखे.
He is above deeds, and beyond delusion. No one can win over you. None can draw his picture.
ਭੁਜੰਗ ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਛੰਦ ਨਮਸਤੁਲ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਮੇ ਸਮਸਤੁਲ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਸੇ
Puchang Priyat Chand. We salute to God, who is respected by all, and who is destroyer of all.
ਅਗੰਜੁਲ ਅਨਾਮੇ ਸਮਸਤੁਲ ਨਿਵਾਸੇ
We salute to God, who is powerful, is beyond name, and who abides in all living beings.
ਨਿਰਕਾਮੰ ਵਿਭੂਤੇ ਸਮਸਤੁਲ ਸਰੂਪੇ
He is above desire, and he can be seen in all living forms.
ਕੁਕਰਮੰ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਸੀ ਸੁਧਰਮੰ ਵਿਭੂਤੇ
He is the destroyer of sins and cherisher of righteousness.
ਸਦਾ ਸਚਦਾਨੰਦ ਸਤਰੰਗ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਸੀ
We salute to God, who is prevailing source of knowledge and joy and destroyer of his enemies.
ਕਰੀਮੁਲ ਕੋ ਨਿੰਦਾ ਸਮਸਤੁਲ ਨਿਵਾਸੀ
He gives his blessings to all. He creates and abides in all.
ਅਜ਼ਾਇਬ ਵਿਭੂਤੇ ਗਜ਼ਾਇਬ ਗਨੀਮੇ
God's brightness is wonderful, and he destroys all his enemies.
ਹਰੀਯੰ ਕਰੀਯੰ ਕਰੀਮੁਲ ਰਹੀਮੇ
He is destroyer and the creator. He is compassionate and merciful.
ਚਤਰ ਚੱਕਰਵਰਤੀ ਚਤਰ ਚੱਕਰ ਭੁਗਤੇ
God is present in all directions, and he is supreme king of the world, and by his order everything is controlled.
स्वयंभव शुभं सर्वदा सर्व जुगते
He is self-existent and beautiful, and is present in the universe.
दुकालं परनासी दयालं स्वरूपे
He is the destroyer of pains of birth and death, and is compassionate.
सदा अंग संगे अपंगं विपूते
He is always present within us and his glory, and radiance will never fade.
दुकालं परनासी दयालं स्वरूपे सदा अंग संगे अपंगं विपूते वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।